Hi everyone. On behalf of all the Goans, we would like to dedicate a dance to all the frontline warriors of COVID-19. I have choreographer Rahul with me. Along with his team,
Nikita,
Vengeously.
Glennis, Clea.
we all got together to say hats off to all the scientists, doctors, nurses, police department and all others who are working tirelessly for the victim of COVID-19.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place is much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving.